Good afternoon, Aeromexico Airline. How can I help you?
Hello, good afternoon. I would like booking a flight reservation to Tokyo to LA.
How many persons are going to travel?
Only one.
One-way trip or round trip?
One-way trip.
What date are you planning to travel?
July 4th.
Okay, let me check. Oh, you are a lucky lady. We have only flight to 3 o'clock.
Perfect. I'm going to take it. What's the price?
The price is 4,560. Excuse me, what name is the booking under?
Samalia Arellano.
Very good. I remember you that you must be here 2 hours early before the flight.
Okay, but why?
Because we have to check the carry-on baggage.
Okay, thanks for your help.
I'm here to serve you. Have a nice day.
Cecil Hotel, good morning.
Good morning. I would like to make a reservation for 2 people
Sure, what day? Will the reservation be?
for March 9th.
Okay, you have to be in the reception at 12 o'clock for check-in.
Sure. Can I take my pets?
Definitely, we are Apple-friendly hotel. Finally, I need a name and credit card.
The booking will be under the name of Direct Sandals, and the card number is 55 79 0900 33 53 17 and 29.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. See you later.
See you later. Goodbye.
Welcome to the Rock Restaurant. How can I help you?
I would like a book.
What day do you like to come?
Do you have a table for tonight at 8 o'clock?
Of course. How many people?
I need a table for 4 adults and 3 children.
I'm sorry, but children can't enter and the outfit must be formal.
Okay, then there will be only 4 adults.
Will you pay it with card or cash?
With card?
Could you give me your name and your card number, please?
Sure. My name is Samantha Gray, and card number is 13 40 5 6 4.
Well, you have a reservation in the Rock Restaurant for today at 8 o'clock at night for 4 people. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.